Welcome to another edition of the Just Smells So Good Nation. Lately, I've been putting on some serious videos, and I know y'all got some real good, traumatic concerns about that. But here's the thing to enlighten you, because I believe that if you don't empower yourself to do better, you won't do better. I'm sorry, you just won't do better. But on this funny series, this is going to be about Uncle Ruckus. 3 fragrances that he believes that you cannot afford. One of them is this super nice fragrance called the Bond 9 fragrance, baby. Bond 9 sells for about $380, $390, limited edition. It had Andy Warhol fragrance that is phenomenal, but it costs $1,200 a bottle. And it's one of a kind. The awesome Tom Ford Noir. Tom Ford is running about $180, $220 at any given store, Macy's. Tom Ford Noir, you can get Tom Ford Orchard, you can get Tom Ford Leather, you can get Tom Ford everything. Tom Ford is boop, 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 bam! And Uncle Ruckus thinks y'all cannot afford it. $200. He said, I ain't gonna tell you what he said, man. He said, y'all can afford only brute. I said, this is the Just Smells Good Nation, baby. Just Smells Good Nation can afford whatever they want to afford. Third one, Creed Aventus. And I think women should get Creed, Creed got lavender for women. Creed Aventus. Creed Aventus been selling very well. Very well. I mean, Creed. Let me go. Yeah, Creed. And I sell a lot of Creed all the time. So, but I want something for the women that's tight. And you go to Creed.com to find out that Creed Aventus. Now, Creed Aventus is selling at numerous markets for $1,155. That's really high for the Creed Aventus. I wonder what type of Creed Aventus that is. That's $1,000 goddamn bottle. What's the liter? What's the liter on this one? Oh, it's a 17 ounce. Numerous markets selling for, whoa. Fruity, rich, bergamot, blackcurrant, leaves, apple, pineapple, pink berries, birch, patchouli, jasmine, musk, oak moss, and ambergris, vanilla. I wear Aventus Creed. And Uncle Ruckus say, Negroes cannot afford. And man, I'm sorry. Negroes cannot afford Aventus Creed. He's lying. He's lying. And it's a nice fragrance for women that's in the Creed selection. Not to leave the women out. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of those for y'all ladies. I'm going to make it tight for y'all. And it's awesome. Creed got a lot of fragrances for women. Let's see. Let's go there. I just want something real nice for y'all, man. Ella Fisher is good. Ella Fisher is good. She got a good fragrance that came out. She's good, but it's not like what I'm looking for. So let me see. Creed for women. Let's do that. Creed for women. Because I sell Creed for women. And I think that, but I don't sell a lot of Creed for women, but I sell Love and White. Love and White is good. That's nice, clean, spicy. $230 a bottle. Woo! $230 a bottle. And I believe you can afford it. But I need you to talk to Uncle Ruckus and tell him why you should get that fragrance. You can afford that fragrance. And then you got, I don't like Roy Mayfield. I really don't like that one. But it's one I really like. She's hot. Let me get to that's Creed, enjoyable. And if you like Creed, I think you'll like. I think women can wear Virgin Island water. I really do. Virgin Island water is about $310. Virgin Island water. We sell Virgin Island water. We sell the Virgin Island water type as a fragrance oil. So I think Virgin Island water is real tight. Let's go back to the Bond 9 because the Bond 9 is going to blow your mind. And I'm giving out more than 5. I mean 3. I'm giving you like something. I'm sorry, Bond 9 women. Let's do that. You know, Bond 9 is like a dual fragrance. Either women and men can wear that fragrance. But I want to stay in your Kona women. I want you to have your own thing. I don't want you to smell like me. I want you to smell like you. So Bond 9 Ear Perfume Spray. And I don't know which one that is. So, but it got a 4.7 rating. It's from New York. And I'm going to go to the official site of Bond 9. So I can make sure. Now Bonnie, oh yeah. I didn't know they had diamond. Ooh, man, I gotta look for that. Dubai diamond? Whoa, $820. Listen. If y'all haven't subscribed to the Just Mel Good Nation and you don't like what's going on here, I need 1,000 subscribers. I really do. I need 1,200 subscribers. Also, I need your help. I need a ring light, since y'all don't want, some of y'all give donations. Maybe you could buy that for me for Christmas or this holiday. And I need a backdrop, right? A green screen, right? So I can do better videos for y'all. So I'm going to leave the link for my Amazon so you can buy that for me and my shipping address down below. Also, I do this every year. I give money or I go buy food for the hungry. I want you to do that in your neighborhood. I want you to do it if you feel like you need me to help you do that and contribute. And some of that money will be tax deductible off your taxes, especially if you're a high income earner. I'm trying to say it right so Brother Ruckus won't get mad. He don't want to get that hit. Dang it, we don't have it. Y'all liberals don't have it. But we do. We have a lot of accessible cash flow, and we utilize it to the great ability of what we can use it for. And in this day and age, I want to enlighten you. Hey man, we have to support each other. So I really want you to put 1,000 likes on this video if you like it. I want 1,000 subscribers if you like it. And then I want you to donate whatever cause you can. And if you want to buy to the Amazon, send it to my business office. With that said, I'll speak to one of y'all or 2 of y'all and find out if I got the light first before you send by. Okay, make sure I got it first. So. And I'm gonna speak to one of y'all for 1 hour. I'm gonna jam everything I know about the fragrance game, except where the manufacturers are. Because I know you ain't gonna buy the high lamp like the doc. Brother Ruckus just told me you ain't gonna buy that. You ain't gonna spend $175 on a brother like that. So I said, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm gonna get impactful information. If you want more information, you don't want to donate, and you want to know and talk to me for $35, we'll talk about the fragrance game. If you try and been trying for years to get your credit right so you can build a business properly, only $10. $10, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to tell you what to do next. I'm going to ask you some questions. Then I'm going to tell you what to do next so it can help you get your credit right. With that said, I enjoyed this video. This video should be here for you, and welcome to the Just Mel So Good Nation. Some of you who never been here before, And Uncle Ruckus, man, shut up, my man. Because we as a people, and in general, black people, we got the money. We just got to know how to some of us got to know how to make sure our money works for us. Yeah, by starting a business, you can start changing your generational lifestyle. By changing, getting your credit right, you can start making more money in your business, in your life, to help your generation. No matter what they say, and how they feel, and what's the president of the United States tried to create a friction against us as a people with other people who are not our race, and because we love them still, we have to make some changes. I need you to go to check out the laws of 1865 when we became a free nation, free black people. And now they're trying to turn back the law of 1865 because they don't want to give us the privileges, because they don't believe we deserve the privileges to be here for 1866. Now all white people feel the same, but guess what? If we don't make a change in what we do and what we say, we're going to be in a critical mass situation. And it's going to be more Uncle Ruckus who believe the same as the Ruckus that you see the imagery of today. So 3 fragrances that Uncle Ruckus don't believe you can have, and some others for women that I believe that smell really sexy on a woman today. Now again, please subscribe, donate, guys, and my subscription should be off the charts. My likes should be off the charts. I see you looking, I see you viewing. So go ahead and do that today. Please subscribe, make a comment, share this information, and watch this video to the end of the video as it renders. Peace.